we got Hardcore Marmalade Challenge. Ready? Here we go.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3. We're at Grandma and Grampa's house. It's 9:43. What's the time for?
Wake up Liam with pajama whips.
Gotta wake up the princess. Let's go. Go, go, go. Go, 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 go. Princess, princess, let's go. Not face, not face. Wake up, get him up. Come on, come on. Hey, he's too strong. Let's go. I think he's a little stunned. You might have hit him with the pajama. Logan, no more. I'm gonna do the same to you. Come on, soldier, let's go. Get up. Tell me to get up. Come on, let's go. Get up. Well, that should wake up the princess. Wait a minute. He's not going back to sleep, is he? He's kind of stunned. Liam's gonna try marmalade. Nasty orange peel marmalade. You ready? Here he goes.
People like it, you know.
I can't believe people actually like this. Wait, you can see chunks of orange peel in there. Who actually eats orange peel? Well, apparently Liam. Okay, go ahead.
You're taking a quarter too.
Let's see it. Swish it around. Would you put it on your toast?
Yeah.
It's like Mr. Bean.
At the restaurant, and you haven't heard that movie.
Remember the one in New Hampshire that had big rings of...
All right.
This frightens my husband, but yeah, it's just marmalade. Just not bad.
You chew on here. Time for the Hardcore Marmalade Challenge.
No, I drink lemons.
Don't, no, that's cheating, you cheater. Okay, you got Hardcore Marmalade Challenge. Ready? Here we go.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3.
So why don't I swallow? I can swallow.
How's it taste? You can swallow it. You kind of nasty. He liked it. He actually liked it.
He likes
He's
it.
eating more.
I just fried.
Yeah. Okay, so we're upping the ante. We're going lemon meringue. No.
Yeah, I tried.
Okay, cut a big decent chunk. If I'm doing it, we're going decent. Get a decent size, both of us.
No, only you.
No, both. We're being a wuss.
I'm only taking this.
On 3, the lemon marmalade challenge. Ready? Hardcore. Go. We are at the tracks, and Liam is going to try to squish a quarter. We're going to try to squish a quarter and a dime. Actually, the train's going to squish it, right? Mm-hmm. We don't know when the train's coming. In fact, it might be coming. Okay, we're all right. Okay, so what we're going to do is lay it on the track. This orange marker here, this is going to mark. Now, the quarter's going to go right there. Good Canadian quarter. And then on the other track, you're going to put your dime. I'm going to stick it on there. See if it stays. Okay. Logan, wait. What are you doing out there? Trying to get to the top. Okay. Just checking.
Now we'll go up onto that stuff, and then it's not steep down there.
Come on, boys, let's go. It's Husky, the muskie. He's a big old fish. Well, Liam, is this the fish you caught this summer?
No,
Is this the best?
He was caught 49 years ago.
This is why people come to Kenora, to catch things like that. I think I'd be kind of freaked out if I caught something like that. Okay, Liam is gonna tackle the geese. Right, ready?
You're gonna do it.
And they're Canadian geese. They've been known to be vicious and attack. Seriously. Okay. Ready, set, go! We're not very scared. Who's the boss now, right? Hey, Liam? Liam, give me 5. We taught them geese. Closed Saturday and Sunday.
Oh.
No library for you. You might need water. I don't think you do that. You get lost in there. Oh, it's got those turn ones you don't like though.
Wait, water kayaking? And that was, it's just, I didn't tell the wakeboard.
Did you get trapped? Yeah, you guys are fast. Well, Logan and I are checking on another geocache of ours. This one at a snake hibernaculum. Yes,
There used to be snakes on the
hundreds of snakes would be in there in the spring mating. So we're gonna see if our geocache is still there. Let's go check it out, Logan. Go ahead, Logan.
Where is it? Oh, I see it. It's
Still in there?
Container.
Go grab it. Get on your belly. Crawl down.
Oh, like cobwebs.
Just stick your tongue out when you do it.
No.
Then they don't bug you.
Can you please, Daddy? How do you open this thing?
It's just a twist top.
Oh, it is. Oh, there actually is quite a few stuff in here.
Ooh, look.
Oh, wow.
Treasure trove. July 30th, 2009. 7 years ago, Logan. So after 7 years, the geocache is still intact. Pretty cool. We're gonna have to fix our other one though. It was a little bit destroyed. Now this is the spot where all the snakes were. They were down in there. Dozens of them. Okay, everybody, so that is it for today's Burke Bunch Moment. We hope you enjoyed it. As usual, give us a like on Facebook if you did, and a like on YouTube if you did. Click that subscribe button. Yep, definitely. And, you know, stay tuned for more great Burke Bunch moments here at Grandma and Grampa's house, where we are presently visiting. All right, so till tomorrow. See you later. Welcome to the home of the Burke Bunch.